In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable sync in Google Chrome on your PC or laptop. This can be a handy setting to manage if you prefer to keep your personal data, like bookmarks, passwords, and history, from being shared across different devices. So let's dive right into it. The first thing you'll want to do is open Google Chrome on your computer. Once you've launched the browser, direct your attention to the top right corner of the Google Chrome interface. There, you'll find your profile icon, which typically displays your Google account photo or avatar. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. Clicking the icon will open up a drop-down menu containing several options related to your Google account. Next, within the drop-down menu, you should see an option that says either Sync is on or Sync and Google Services. Now, you might notice these options could vary slightly depending on the version of Chrome you're using, but they usually mean the same thing. They direct you to the sync settings for your Google account. Go ahead and click on this option to proceed to the next step. After you click, you'll be directed to a new window where you can manage your sync settings. This window is where you can take control of what data gets synchronized and stored across your devices. Here, look for the Turn Off button, which is usually located beside the Sync label. Clicking this button will begin the process of disabling the sync feature. Once you've pressed Turn Off, Google Chrome will typically ask you to confirm this action. You'll likely see a prompt pop up on your screen, where Chrome will ask if you're sure you want to stop syncing data. This step is in place to ensure you're making the right decision and aren't accidentally turning off sync. To confirm, click Turn Off again in the prompt. By doing this, you'll have successfully disabled the sync feature on your Chrome browser, ensuring that none of your future data will automatically be shared across devices. Disabling sync can help keep your browsing history and personal info more private, especially if you use a shared or public computer. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've disabled the sync feature in Google Chrome on your PC or laptop. If you ever decide you want to re-enable sync, you can retrace these steps and look for a button or prompt that allows you to turn sync back on. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for watching and feel free to leave any questions or comments down below.